Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video, you are going to see a problem on arithmetic progression. The problem is, the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 210 and that of last 15 terms is 2565. Find the ratio a 2n plus 1 to a 2n minus 1 of this AP. Well, a new kind of problem, right? Not very difficult, but you need to understand what to estimate first. What to estimate is an important idea in this. This represents nth term. That means we need to know, if to find nth term, we need to know the first term and the common difference. If A and D are known, then we will be able to calculate this. That means our objective should be to find the value of A and D using these two statements. The statement is, the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 210 and that of the last 15 terms is 2565. Well, only these two statements would help us in calculating the values of A and D, that is the first term and the common difference. Once A and D are known, then we will be able to calculate A2n plus 1 and A2n minus 1. This is how every student has to visualize the problem first. What is asked, what needs to be calculated, and how it can be substituted to obtain the desired result. Dear students, always guess the problem in mind first. Always determine the answer in the mind first. That really makes you the best mathematician. If you want to grow in mathematics, always calculate inside first and then try to exhibit it in the paper. Well, let's now go ahead how to answer this question. We are given solution to this problem. First 10 terms. I repeat question once again for you. The sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 210. That means S10 is equal to 210. And that of last 15 terms is 2565. Here, last 15 terms, in this, what is a little missing is, in bracket, I'll give you in the question, it contains AP has 50 terms. This is addition to the question. AP has total 50 terms. Of that, first 10 terms is 210 and that of the last 15 terms. Now, this means S50, because there are total 50 terms, and minus S35. This gives the sum of the last 15 terms. That is given, this is equal to 2565. That is the value here, 2565. If we calculate these two, we will be able to get two different equations, and these two equations can be separately solved to obtain the desired result. Dear students, Sn is equal to, we shall start, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is our formula. S10, that is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a is unknown plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1 into d is unknown. That is, S10 is value given 210 This is equal to 5, and here it is 2a plus 9d. 5 comes this way, and 42, that is 210 divided by 5 gives you 42, that is equal to 2a plus 9d. Finally, this implies 2a plus 9d is equal to 42. Call it equation number 1. Now we shall take this S50 minus S35. We will calculate S50. S50 is equal to 50 divided by 2 into 2a plus 50 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 25 into 2a plus 49d. Similarly, we have S35, that is equal to 35 by 2 into 2a plus 35 minus 1 is 34d. This is equal to, since 2 has come here and 35 is not divisible by 2, we will take 2 common outside here. That will help us. 35 by 2 into 2, a plus 17d. 2 cancelled, that became 35 into a plus 17d. This means S50 and S35, both of these two values have come now, and we will use this here. S50 has come 25 into 2a plus 49d minus S35 value has come 35 into a plus 17d, that is equal to 2565. 25 2s are, this is 50a plus 25 into 49. This becomes 25 into 49. 1225 d minus 35a, minus into plus minus. Now 17 5s are 85 and 17 3s are 51. 51 plus 8, 59. But because it is minus into plus is here, therefore we will take it to be minus. That is equal to 2565. 50a minus 35a, that becomes 15a.